Not too hot, not too cold. Just right. What is the Goldilocks zone? That is the Goldilocks zone. You may have heard of the Goldilocks zone when you're hearing about alien life existing on planets. But what is it? In a very basic sense, the Goldilocks zone boils down to one simple thing. It is the distance at which an Earth-like planet would have to be from a sun in which liquid water could exist. Liquid water, that's because if we get it too close, it'll turn into steam, and if we get it too far away, it's just going to freeze over. And we are made of water, among other things, and all of the life on Earth pretty much relies on water, so it is a safe bet to assume that alien life might rely on water. There are, of course, biases in the fact that that's the only thing that we've seen, so that's what we assume. But with that in mind, it is a good basic threshold to start at if we're looking for alien life. Another factor to consider too is if liquid water exists on the surface of these planets, which it would in a Goldilocks zone, then life might exist on the surface of said planets. See, if life exists on the planet but isn't on the surface, it's not going to be producing gases that are similar to the stuff we produce. You're not going to get those methanes, those carbon dioxides, all those sort of things. And currently, when we look at exoplanets, if we want to look for life on them, we are limited to looking at what makes up its atmosphere. And so it needs to be on the surface to be able to release that gas into the atmosphere. Things that live in caves or in an ocean of frozen ice with like a crust layer on top, those aren't going to really be able to release those gases into the atmosphere for us to examine. So even if it does exist, it isn't really of interest. That's why the Goldilocks zone